In this demonstration, we'll learn how DataSphere can non-disruptively migrate your existing data. First, we're going to look at a volume that's mounted from a Linux client. This is before we've added it to DataSphere, and we're going to run something called MD5sum on a large OVA file, and we'll use this to check that the data was intact once we assimilated it to DataSphere. Next, we'll unmount the volume from the client, and we're going to add that volume and the device it's on into DataSphere. So adding the storage system is very easy. This is a generic NAS system, so we need to just give it the IP address, and we add the storage system to DataSphere. We can then see the volumes, and we're going to add one called software builds. We see that we've identified some storage, existing data on there, and we're going to assimilate that into share 1, and we're going to create a new directory for that data to be assimilated to. We can see that we've added our volume. It's very quick, and from the Linux client we can mount that share, and we see that the builds directory is there, and we're going to cd into the builds directory and check the large OVA file and make sure the checksums match. And we see that they do, so the data was imported correctly. Now we're going to add a new storage device. Here we're going to choose NetApp cluster mode. We give it an IP address and the username, and then we'll add volumes from the NetApp cluster. Once they've added, we can see that the namespace that has been mounted is non-disruptively been increased. We're now up to 7.2 terabytes. Next, we're going to non-disruptively decommission the original generic volume. Decommissioning will non-disruptively move data to other volumes in the system. We can see that decommissioning is started. And from the DataSphere dashboard, we can actually see that mobility is occurring. We can see over 200 files are moving. We can see the capacity is increasing on the existing volumes. And once the volume is decommissioned, we can remove it. And we can remove the storage system as well. We'll confirm we really want to delete the volume. And then we'll also remove the storage system. So this allows us to do a non-disruptive upgrade, add new storage devices without impacting the clients. So here we've seen how DataSphere non-disruptively migrates data between storage devices, making tech refreshes pain-free. Thank you for watching.